how to turn the flashlight on and off on the iPhone XS. This is for an iPhone X and anything newer than the X. I'm demonstrating with the XS. I'm going to show you guys 3 different ways to turn the flashlight on and how to adjust the brightness of the flashlight. So the first one, and the one that's most accessible, is right here on your lock screen. Press and hold that little flashlight icon right down here. All you have to do is a little 2-second hold, press it and let go. You'll feel a little vibration and it turns the flashlight on. Turning it off is the same method. Just press and hold. You'll feel a little vibration and it turns it off. So if you are on your home screen, this is going to be the second method, is by swiping from the top right down. You get to your control center, and from your control center, you'll see the little flashlight icon. You can go ahead, select that. As you guys can see, the light turns on. Flashlight back here turns on, and you can turn it off the same way. And the third method is going to be just by using Siri. Hey Siri, turn on the flashlight.
It's on.
So just like that. Hey Siri, turn off the flashlight. Hey Siri, turn off the flashlight.
It's off.
So you guys can see that way is not always the best, but it does work. So as far as going to adjust the brightness of your flashlight, it's going to be in here, right here where the flashlight icon is. Press and hold it, give it about 2 seconds. Right now the flash is off, the light is off, torch is not lit, so you can go ahead and adjust second, third, fourth. And you guys can probably see that there's quite a difference from the lowest to the highest. There's middle in betweens, and just like that you are able to adjust it. So now whenever you turn it off and you turn your flashlight back on, it will be working just like that. You got whatever brightness you have it set to. So once again, this works for any newer iPhone, iPhone X and newer. Anything older with the home button, to get to that control center from going top right, you're going to be scrolling from the bottom up. That's going to be your only difference. So this is my quick video of 3 different ways how to turn that flashlight on and off, demonstrating with the iPhone XS. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody looking for this information, please do share it with them. And if you guys like this content, please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.